Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a bonus holiday recipe. Today's recipe is going to be eggnog poke cake. So what you need for the eggnog poke cake is 1 box yellow cake mix, and you want to make it just like the instructions say. 2 boxes of 3.4 ounce instant vanilla pudding, and 2 cups eggnog. So for the frosting, it originally calls for whipped cream. I'm going to make an icing. So what you need for the icing is 1 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 2 tablespoons milk, and sprinkles or what other decorations that you want to put on top of that. So let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and make this yellow cake as per package instructions. So I'll go ahead and make that, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the cake is done, and I got impatient and opened up the oven to look at it, so it sank a little bit. I got to learn not to do that. So you want to take the end handle of a wooden spoon and poke in there about 1 inch all the way through the cake. And this next part you need to work quickly with before the pudding sets up. You want to go ahead and pour your 2 packets of pudding mix in a bowl and pour your 2 cups of eggnog over the pudding mix and whisk it until finely mixed. Like I said, you want to do this quickly before the pudding sets, and then we're going to go ahead and pour it over the warm cake. And this should go on in all the holes that we made. And that will be making the poke part. And there we go, and then we'll go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Alright, so it has chilled for about 1.5 hours, and I was going to put icing on it, but I kind of felt it and it's kind of a spongy feel, and I'm not sure if the icing would spread on that, so I'm going to go ahead and go with what they recommend and use whipped cream. So I went ahead and thawed out the whipped cream so it will be spreadable. And I hope I have enough whipped cream, because I didn't buy any for this because I was going to do icing. So luckily I had some. There's a whipped cream frosting. Now, I was going to put just some red sprinkles, but I decided that I would go ahead and take my soft peppermint sticks and grate those up. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle that all over that. And that'll give it a nice little peppermint flavor as well. Alright, so here is the eggnog poke cake, and I'm going to go ahead and put a green cherry on the top for that, and I'll go ahead and let my husband do a taste test. Alright, so I think the poke cake, it didn't go down into the holes like it should, because I think it set up too quick.
It's actually pretty light compared to what I was thinking it looked like. I like this. It's not it's not overly sweet, and it's everything I'd say is moist, and there's no crunchy pieces in it or anything. It's a pretty nice little cake. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.